Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of LuxAlgo and Trusted Signals, two prominent trading indicators. Whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just starting out, understanding the tools at your disposal is crucial. So let's explore what each platform offers, their strengths, weaknesses, and which might be the best fit for you. Let's find out. First up, LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is one of the most popular names in the world of TradingView compatible indicators, and for good reason. It's not just a single indicator, it's a complete trading toolkit. Built to cater to a wide range of traders, from scalpers to swing traders to long-term investors, LuxAlgo offers powerful features designed to make chart analysis smarter, faster, and more precise. The core philosophy of LuxAlgo is to combine technical analysis with AI-driven enhancements. It means that you're not just looking at static buy or sell signals, you're getting intelligent alerts that adapt to changing market conditions, backed by extensive backtesting and multi-timeframe support. So whether you're trading crypto, you're trading forex, stocks, or commodities, LuxAlgo is built to fit your strategy. What also makes LuxAlgo stand out is its active community and constant product evolution. The team frequently updates their tools, incorporates community feedback, and even offers educational resources to help you understand not just how to trade, but how to trade smarter. Now let us talk about Trusted Signals. Trusted Signals take a very different approach. This platform focuses on simplicity and accessibility. It's designed for traders who want quick, actionable buy and sell signals without diving too deep into chart patterns, indicators, or complex overlays. If you're someone who prefers a clean chart, minimal setup, and easy to follow trade ideas, Trusted Signals could be right up your alley. It emphasizes helping you enter and exit trades at the right times using straightforward alerts. While the platform doesn't dive into complexity and depth that LuxAlgo offers, that's actually part of its appeal, especially for beginner traders or those who want a lightweight tool to supplement their decision making. However, it's worth noting that while Trusted Signals promises ease of use and clear signals, it doesn't showcase as much technical documentation, community access, or in-depth tutorials as LuxAlgo does. So if you're the kind of trader who wants full control and customization, you might feel a bit limited here. Now let us talk about the main features. We start with LuxAlgo. AI-driven indicators. LuxAlgo utilizes artificial intelligence to generate dynamic signals adapting to market conditions to provide actionable insights. Customizable toolkits. Traders can tailor indicators to their strategies with options like support and resistance zones, trend confirmation filters, and overbought or oversold alerts. Backtesting opportunities. The platform offers advanced backtesting tools, allowing users to evaluate strategies against historical data to optimize performance. Multi-timeframe analysis. You can analyze trades across different timeframes, aiding in confirming trend directions and filtering out false signals. Community support. LuxAlgo boasts an active Discord community, providing a space for traders to share insights and strategies. How about Trusted Signals? Real-time alerts. They provide immediate buy and sell signals, aiming to assist traders in capitalizing on market opportunities promptly. Ease of use. It is designed with simplicity in mind, and that makes it accessible for traders who prefer straightforward signals over complex analysis. And integration. While specific integrations are not detailed, the platform likely supports major trading platforms for seamless operations. Now let us talk about the pricing. For LuxAlgo, there are two basic plans, the Premium plan and the Ultimate plan. The Premium plan goes for $39.99 and $479.88 per year. With that, you save 40% a year. And for the Ultimate plan, goes for $59.99 per month, but you save 50% if you do a year subscription, and that's about $719.88. How about Trusted Signals? On the pricing section of the website, it is indicated that to get full access for a month, will cost $99, and to get lifetime access, you would only pay $999, which would increase to almost $2,000 soon. Only 3 spots available. You need to act fast if you really want this. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the platforms. First, LuxAlgo. The pros: comprehensive suite of customizable indicators, advanced AI-driven backtesting tools, and active community support. And the pros of Trusted Signals: user-friendly interface suitable for beginners, and they provide straightforward buying or sell signals. How about the cons? For LuxAlgo, may have a steeper learning curve for beginners, and some users report issues with signal accuracy and customer support responsiveness. However, this is not always the case. And with Trusted Signals, they lack the depth of features and customization found in more advanced platforms. There are limited information on community support and educational resources. So, which is the best? Both LuxAlgo and Trusted Signals offer unique benefits that are tailored to different trading needs. LuxAlgo stands out with its advanced features, making it suitable for traders seeking in-depth analysis and customization. However, it may require a learning period to fully leverage its capabilities. On the other hand, Trusted Signals appeals to those who prefer simplicity and immediate signals without the complexity of extensive analysis. Your choice between the two should align with your trading experience, and of course your strategy preferences, and also the level of analysis you wish to engage in. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Trade Ideas, ZMN Trading, and TrendSpider. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.